Welcome to Analytics Insight, a global media authority on artificial intelligence, big data analytics, robotics, and disruptive technologies. Analytics Insight monitors developments, recognition, and achievements made by leading companies operating at the convergence of emerging technologies. Extensive market research and competitive analysis. Our analysts perform extensive market research, use data to pinpoint current trends and future growth opportunities, and answers key strategic questions faced by enterprises. Which disruptive technologies help enterprises to improve the current processes or models? Which emerging trends will affect the market or replace existing technologies? Who are the key players in the industry? What are the strategies adopted by organizations to stay competitive? Which technology should companies invest in? Which geographic market should they enter? How it helps organizations and leaders? Analytics Insights research is backed by market data and inputs from top experts in the industry. We analyze trends across industries, regions, applications, and rank companies and solutions to help organizations identify potential customers, form strategic partnerships, and expand market reach, thereby increasing revenue. Our comprehensive reports and insights helps decision makers innovate technology processes with the ability to sense, react, and adapt to changing market conditions and make smart business decisions. It helps organizations and leaders develop winning business and technology strategies. We have worked with many of the largest and most reputable organizations in the world, including Xerox, Accenture, Samsung, Tech Mahindra, Ernst & Young. Our services are an excellent fit for organizations that need to build and validate powerful technology strategy to thrive in today's digital age. An affluent audience. Analytics Insight reaches an affluent audience with high technical knowledge, which include technologists and influential leaders who create and shape the industry. Our platform also unites the world's premier influencers. It offers customized solutions to drive that level of leadership and recognition to enterprises. So, what are you waiting for? Unlock your organization's unique advantage. Contact Analytics Insight today.